Yo, this is vlog number 8, I think. I don't even fucking know. Yo, but I'm walking the fucking statistics funnel, and this bitch is raining a shit ton. Yo, what's fucking going on? I'm fucking getting soaked over here. I'm walking with the damn umbrella. My socks are wet as fuck. My sweatpants are pretty fucking wet. You see this fucking river right here? This is supposed to be a fucking creek. Not today. It's a goddamn river. It's fucking going off. Yo, this shit is brazy as fuck. Alright, yeah, I was just making a quick vlog, I don't know, is it... What's the difference between a blog and a vlog? One with a B, one with a V. I don't even fucking know. But this would be J2A signing out. Yo, I know I just made blog number 8. I don't know if I can connect videos, but I need to make another video. Cause look at this bitch. Yo, this is the fucking back trail. Look at me, I'm on the fucking side. Look how fucking water there is. Yo, I can't even fucking walk. I'm over here walking on the fucking side. Fuck. Holy shit. Alright. Oh, is it recording? Mm-hmm. Fuck, dude, that shit was fucking intense.